Namaste, students. Hope you all stay safe in home. I am your EVS teacher. My name is Saranya. Okay, children, we'll see the third lesson. The lesson name is My Sense Organs. We are going to see what is sense organs. First, here see the picture. It is Saina. Saina sees a big bag of full of pears. Pears means that is one type of fruit. Wow, pears. How she can see the pears? You can tell, right? How she is seeing the pear with the help of eyes. With the help of the eyes only, we can see the things, right? Next, the pear is hard. How she can do that? Saina picks up a pear and feels it. How she feels it? She feels with the skin. With the skin, with the help of the skin, we can feel. Right? It is hard or soft. We can feel that. Next, pear smells sweet. So, Saina smells the pear. With the help of what? How we can smell? With the help of our nose, we can smell the things, right? Next, Saina tastes the pear. So, Mummy, it is so sweet, she told. How she can taste the fruit with the help of the tongue? She can taste the fruits, whatever it is, we can taste with the help of our tongue. So, in here, what are the sense organs we saw? The first one is eyes. Eyes is our sense organ. Next one is skin. The third one is our nose. And fourth one is tongue. Okay, children. Next, Saina hears her mother slicing the pear. So while slicing, it will get some sound, right? So how she can hear? She can hear the sounds with the help of the ears. So ear is also a sense organs. What are the sense organs? Eyes, nose, tongue, ear, and skin. These are called sense organs. Okay, children. Here we see we can taste sweet. How we can taste sweet? With a sweet, some sweets we can taste. It feels like sweet, right? Next, sour. If we eat any lemon, raw lemon, it will give one taste. That taste is called sour. Yes, O-U-R. Sour. Next, while eating any chips, we can taste salty taste, right? Salty. S-A-L-T-Y. Salty. Next, bitter gourd. While having bitter gourd, we can get some taste like bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R. Bitter. These are all the taste. These are all the some types of taste. We can taste it with the help of our tongue. Okay, children. Next, sense organs like Sina, we can also see. We can also see, touch, smell, hear, and taste things, right? We can do all these things, right? By seeing, touching, smelling, hearing, and tasting things. we can do all these things. Our eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue are our sense organs. What is that? Sense organs. We call it as sense organs. They help us to know about the things around us. We can see with our eyes, right? Next, we can touch and feel things with our skin. With our skin, we can touch and feel it. With our nose, we can smell the things. Okay, children. Next, with the help of our tongue, we can taste the food or things. And we can hear the sounds with the help of our ear. So, what are the sense organs? Eyes, nose, tongue, skin, and ear. The five things are called sense organs. Five things. What is that? Eyes, nose, tongue, skin, and ears are called sense organs. Okay, children, we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.